Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, actually, if you are my being follower of all time, then you must know that in my video I always used to provide you the things in a very simple language that can be easy to understand. Okay guys, because पढ़ाना बच्चों को है, पढ़ना बच्चों को है, और अगर मैं उस लैंग्वेज को ही यूज़ ना करूँ, अगर मैं इतने सिंपल टर्म्स में नहीं जाऊँ जो बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आए, तो फिर पढ़ाना बेकार है. सो if I am here for you all, then you must have to be absorb everything or every part, single drop of the knowledge from my, just because you have to understand the topic in the basic terms. So guys, if you don't have subscribed my channel, please subscribe for getting the latest video of mine on the different topics of the biology. And students, if you are liking the video, then please press the like button. Actually, you know what topic today is going to be discussed in the class. So in today's video I am going to discuss about the ozone layer being an important part of our atmosphere, and it is also a protective layer for ourselves. It is so important and so necessary just to learn or discuss about this, because the knowledge of the ozone layer will include a new dimension in your knowledge field. Okay guys, so we are nowadays, I know, discussing about the biogeochemical cycle, nutrition cycle, or the mineral cycle, whatever we can say it. We have already discussed about the oxygen cycle, water cycle. So after studying the oxygen cycle, it is most necessary that being studying about the oxygen, we must have to be also study about the oxygen layer, because the formula of the ozone is O3, and in which the oxygen is a most important ingredient which are protecting ourselves from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay guys, so let's start the topic without doing any delay, because, and guys, I request you all to be with me till the end of the video. Let's start the topic. There is a layer of ozone, that is O3, surrounding the earth. It is 5 kilometer thick, located at the distance of 25 to 30 kilometer from the earth's surface. The ozone layer cuts the some part of the ultraviolet light coming from the sun. You know guys, ultraviolet rays is so much harmful to our skin, to our eyes, and to the every living organism that it can harm ourselves. It can create skin cancer. It's so many different type of diseases. Ultraviolet light is so bad for the crops also. Long term exposure to the ultraviolet light can cause cancer. Okay guys, so damage of the eyes and the immune system, all this different type of disease will be started to creating if you will regularly face the ultraviolet rays. So an excess of the ultraviolet light kills the phytoplanktons, being it's an important part for our atmosphere also, because it is killing the harmful bacteria also. But phytoplanktons are very much essential for the aquatic life, because they are the parts of food for the aquatic animals. Okay, and if the phytoplanktons will be getting destroyed or eaten or will be died due to the face of the ultraviolet rays for the long time, so the minerals and the aquatic plants life will be become and come in the danger. Okay, so it may also disrupt the global rainfall. Okay, and causes the ecological disturbance and bring about the reduction in the global food supply. Okay, if it will harm to the crops which are being grown in the field for getting food. So if it is be burned through the ultraviolet rays or being any type of harmful, कोई किसी भी तरह का हार्म अगर इस प्लांट्स को होता है, तो हमारे पास फूड ही नहीं आ पाएगा, और फूड नहीं आएगा तो वी विल फेस द फूड स्कार्सिटी एंड ग्लोबल फूड सरप्लस ख़त्म हो जाएगा. जितनी भारी मात्रा में हमारे पॉपुलेशन है और उन्हें फीड कराने के लिए हमें उतना फूड चाहिए, तो ये हमारे नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम को बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्म करता है अल्ट्रावायलेट रे. जस्ट इसी से प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में, यानी हमारे नेचर ने हमें ओजोन लेयर दिया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ O3. इफ़ वी विल talk about its chemical composition. Okay, so we have discussed that what is ozone layer and what type of bad effect does ultraviolet rays produce towards or for the living organisms. And now we must have to discuss about the causes of the depletion of the ozone layer, that what things or what are that points which are creating causes depletion in the ozone layer. Okay guys, so there are the several reasons for the depletion of the ozone layer. The first one is the chlorofluorocarbon that is being released from the refrigerator, from the AC, cooler, and different type of all these things. What the different amount of carbon released in the environment, and this carbon particles is very much affecting the ozone layer and being able to create any depletion or just breaking the layers of the ozone. So guys, the chlorofluorocarbons and the nitrogen oxide, which are responsible for the ozone layer depletion, we must have to protect and we must have to be maintain that जितना कम से कम कार्बन और नाइट्रोजन जो है हार्मफुल नाइट्रोजन या फिर मीथेन गैस जिन्हें हम इन्वायरमेंट पर रिलीज़ कर सके, बिकॉज CFS यानी क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स जो कि कार्बन का ही फॉर्म है, वो हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के ऑक्सीजन लेयर को यानी कि ओजोन लेयर को बहुत ज़्यादा हार्म कर रहा है, जिसके कारण कि हम सन के अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से बच नहीं पाएंगे। और अगर हम लोग सन के अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से नहीं बच पाए, देन इट विल क्रिएट द death of the phytoplanktons, the skin cancer, the eyes cancer in we human beings, and it will also harm the crop field also. And if the crops are not grown, if we are suffering from the cancer, and think about if the phytoplanktons are being killed, then what will happen to the aquatic environment and what will happen to our ecosystem. So it's a very important just to protect the ozone layer from being depletion, बिकॉज CFC यानी कार्बन की जो क्वांटिटी है, जो यूज़ करने का जो क्वांटिटी है, जो कि हम इन्वायरमेंट में रिलीज़ होता है, उसे जितना कम से कम करेंगे ओजोन लेयर के लिए उतना ही बेनिफिशियल होगा। सो अभी हम लोगों ने ओजोन के बारे में इतना कुछ जाना है कि ओजोन के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ हमें ओजोन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए चाहिए, या फिर क्या हार्मफुल थिंग्स है अगर ओजोन लेयर नहीं हो तो हमें कॉज हो सकता है, या फिर हम लोगों ने ओजोन लेयर क्या होता है और इसकी जो डिस्टेंस है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में वो कितनी थिकनेस है, 5 किलोमीटर तक थिकनेस है इसकी। So guys, this is all about the today's topic. Hope you all have liked this session. If you liked it, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for giving attention to me.